Yo, 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 it's your girl Aryeal, and I am back at it again with another video. I'm here, y'all. And today we are going to have a vlog. Also, oh my god, what is on my face? What is? So just excuse the mess on my face, and also the air is on, so hopefully you can hear me. But today is going to be a very special video because my family and I are going on a road trip to Utah. I have never been to Utah before, but I decided to vlog it for the first time, and I'm super excited for you guys to come along with me. So I think the next clip you'll see is me packing. Bye. Okay, y'all, what's good? I have not updated this vlog in a minute, but we are currently in Vegas. You can't see anything because we're at the gas station, but we just stepped outside to get a stretch in. It's been a long drive so far, but I think we only have a couple hours left until we're in Utah, so I'm excited. So I'll catch you guys up when we're at the hotel. So we've made it to our hotel. This is an overview of what it looks like. We are staying at the Red Roof Inn. I don't know if you guys can see that. Never been here before, but we are officially in Utah. It is literally nighttime, so there's nothing happening. But I'm going to give you guys a quick little view of our hotel room when we walk inside. Woo! Good morning, y'all. This is like the third time I've waken up. I didn't really get much sleep, so I don't feel that great, but it is like 6:45, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take a shower and get ready for the day. So I'll see you guys after I'm ready.
Like, you just gotta get out the freezer. I just pour right in here. Yeah. So, and then I just put this back in. You just put it back in. Or you just leave it out, honestly. You can leave it out.
I know we got at least 2 tuna.
This on French bread?
Yes, I.
I look like, what's that?
You look like a platypus.
What's the camera? They got the little.
So excited. Okay, y'all, so we just made it to where we're gonna start walking in the water. I look kind of crazy because it is very hot out here, but this is a little bit of what it looks like. Ooh. Super nice. And we all have our sticks, and I'm super excited to walk in the water. Okay, we made it to the water. As you can see, I have been sweating way too much. But this actually feels so nice, you guys. It is hot, and we had to kind of like hike hike up a little bit to get here. But it feels so good to be in the water. Y'all, so as you can see, we are back in the shuttle. We have finished walking through the water trail. I don't know what to call it, the narrows, the canyon, whatever. And I think we're all a little bit tired, but it was super fun. And now we're trying to find where the ice cream is so we can cool down, because you can see it's kind of on the gloomier side, but it's still, I'm still pretty hot. So we're gonna get some ice cream and then we'll probably go to dinner, and I'll just keep you updated as our plans go along. I just want to show you guys this because as we were walking, I was worried about a flash flood happening, and they are sending weather warnings about it. So I'm glad we got out in time. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is officially pouring. And we are hiding in the shade. It looks beautiful, low-key, but it's pouring. The flash flood was real, y'all.
I got beef brisket. Turkey brisket. I got cinnamon roll French toast. Chicken and waffles. Let's get into that. Let's get into it. This is the golden, this is pork. And then we have some chicken strips. The enjoy. Black bear dinner.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2 and we have just hit our lovely friend Jimmy John's for ice and water and all that for our water packs, because we are going to another park today. I have a little thing going on. I'm wearing a visor today, but I wanted my hair to still be a little later in the ponytail, so we made a little thing. But yes, we're gonna go find some breakfast now. I'm trying to find the lighting. We're gonna find some breakfast, and then we're gonna get going just to walk a little bit because it is super hot out here. So I'll show you guys where we go after breakfast. You guys, we found the little baby waterfall. And it's so nice over here. The water down there is dirty, and I'm thinking it's because of the red rocks mixing in, but wow, it feels amazing. Wow. Hey Instagram, I am here with my mom and my brother, and we're just chilling. It is really nice. We're enjoying the shade, and there's a waterfall. I cannot turn my camera around to show you, but I can turn around like this and you can kind of see. That's what it looks like. What's good, y'all? I say that every time I start a clip just because I love greeting you and I feel like it's nice. But we are now at a gas station. It has been a while. As you can see, I look literally gross and so tired. And that's just because we were in the sun leaving Utah with no AC working in the car. And that was a recipe for disaster. So we're basically just out here getting some gas, taking a little pit stop. We've passed through Arizona. I think we're still in Nevada, but we've been driving in Nevada for a while. And yeah, we're almost home, and we have a couple hours left and then we're done, you guys. Utah was crazy. I can't believe we're almost done.